How many times have you left the house, gotten halfway down the road, and thought,
did we close the garage door?
It's the worst feeling. You either spend the rest of the day wondering, is the garage door open? Or you turn around, drive all the way back, and check it for yourself. Even if you've got a camera like I do, sure, it can show you the garage door is open, but if you're out of range of your remote, like when you're already on the highway or hundreds of miles away, there's no way to close it. That's where this little device becomes a game changer. Today, I'm going to show you a super affordable way to add a smart control to your existing garage door without replacing it. It's called the Genie Aladdin Connect, and it might be the smartest upgrade you'll make this year. So let's get into it. So first, let's take a quick look and see what's in the box. So there's not a lot of things in the box, so it's a simple setup. You get the module itself, the Wi-Fi control module. You get a door position sensor for one garage door. Now it is capable of controlling up to 3 garage doors, but you will have to order more modules. So if you have 3 garage doors that you want to control with this, you'll need to order 2 more of the modules, one for each door. It comes with all the mounting hardware and the anchors that you need with double-sided adhesive strips, also the wiring and the clips. It's got the quick start instructions that are very simple to go over step by step, and it has the power adapter for it. Now let me walk you through the install. I've done this myself a couple times. It's not difficult, it's very simple. In fact, they say the average install takes 5 to 10 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we want to do is to unplug your garage door opener before starting, just for safety. So it has to be within 5 feet of a standard 110 volt AC power outlet and within 25 feet of either the garage door opener or a wired wall control button. I decided to mount mine right above the garage door opener because it already has a receptacle, and plus when the garage door is opening or closing, it gives off a warning beep so anybody in the area will know the garage door will be opening or closing. So once you've determined where to put it, just remove the mounting bracket from the back of it and plug in the power cord to the power outlet and connect the plug to your control module. The next step is we need to check for your Wi-Fi coverage because it does work by Wi-Fi. The next step is you want to download the app. Next, we're going to go ahead and wire the control module. So if you take the wall mount off the back of the module, just press the little tab on the bottom and it lifts up, and remove it. And on the back of the module you'll see where it shows door 1, door 2, and door 3. So if you have one door like ours, our large garage door, you can go ahead and just use the first 2 tabs to install the wiring on door 1. So once I had my smart controller mounted above my garage door opener, I went ahead and mounted the module to the garage door. Now my garage door is thick enough to where I was able to use the 2 self-tapping screws to put the mount on there, but they say you can also use the double-sided tape if you have a thin garage door. And remember to mount the module to the top panel of your garage door. And remember, do not remove the battery pull tab from this module until you're told to by the app. So the next step is go ahead and power up your garage door opener, plug it back in, and then you're going to connect your app to your Wi-Fi. So go ahead and open your app up on your phone and it walks you through connecting the device to your home Wi-Fi. Next, we're going to test it to make sure it's connected. Open and close it from your phone and make sure it reports that the door status is up when it says it's up and down when it says it's down. Now here's where this thing really shines. Let's say I just pulled out of my driveway and I'm looking at the app and it says garage door open. All I do is hit close without even hitting my remote. If I'm too far away from my remote to catch my garage door, I just go ahead and hit the app and it closes the garage door. It tells me how long it's been open, how long it's been closed, and the nice thing, it sends instant notification to your smartphone or to your smartwatch and alerts you if your garage door is being opened or closed. And also your notifications are stored in your history on your smartphone. It keeps it up to the last 100 open and close operations on a rolling basis. And here's a neat thing too. You can use this as a virtual keys. If you have, like, say, a guest, if it's an Airbnb, if you have a family member, babysitter, pet walker, whatever, a service person, or you're getting an Amazon delivery, you can open the door, they can put the package in there, then you can close the door from anywhere, even if you're halfway across the country or on the other side of the world, as long as you have a Wi-Fi signal. Plus, you can set and schedule the door to close at a specific time or within a set time frame. If you want the door to close 15 minutes after you open it, it'll do that. This thing is really great. And it works with your Amazon or Google Home, whichever one you have. And you can set custom rules, like have it auto close after 15 minutes. And you can even share access with family members without giving out remotes, just by having the app. So why did I choose this controller over a smart opener? One is the cost. Here's the best part. I didn't have to buy a whole new smart garage door opener. They can cost $300 or more plus the installation costs. And mine still works perfectly. Yours might still work perfectly, so there's no reason to spend hundreds of dollars. You can get this right now. When I bought this off of Amazon, less than $70. I turned my regular garage door into a smart door with remote control, notifications, and peace of mind. So if you've ever had to turn your car around just to check if your garage door was closed or worried about it while you're traveling, this is the fix. The Genie Aladdin Connect is affordable, it's easy to install, and it just works. So if you think this will really help you out, and I think it will, just like it's helped us, you can find a link to it in the description below. That's my affiliate link. So if you use it, you support this channel and help me to make more content just like this. And hey, if this video helped you out, do me a favor. Hit the like button, comment if you had the same problem, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and it'll keep you up to date. Anytime I make a new YouTube channel, it might be just the video you need for the project that you're working on. Thanks for watching. You take care, and God bless.